Kumusta? Today is Tuesday. The Lotto draws for the 9 PM draw are Lotto 642, Super Lotto 649, Ultra Lotto 658, Sortress Lotto, and Easy to Lotto. The results for tonight's Lotto draws. The winning numbers are